In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize documents into folders in Quip. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find your folders, locate the documents you want to tidy up, and move them into the right place using a simple drag and drop workflow. First, open Quip, either in your web browser or the desktop app. When it loads, look to the left sidebar. That's where your navigation lives. Click Folders or All Folders, depending on what you see. This view shows your folder structure at a glance, so you can understand how things are organized before you start moving anything. If your sidebar looks crowded, you can scroll to find the Folders section and expand it to reveal more levels. Next, head to the location where the document currently lives. That could be your documents, Quip Home, a shared workspace, or another folder you've been using. The key is to be in the view that actually lists the item you want to move. If you're browsing around and nothing looks familiar, go back one level and try a different folder until you spot it. Now make sure you're in List View. List View is ideal because it makes selecting one or multiple documents straightforward and gives you the cleanest drag and drop experience. If your screen shows thumbnails or large tiles, switch to the List option near the top of the view so your items appear in rows. Click once to select a single document. If you need to move a group that sits together, click the first one, hold Shift, and click the last one in the range. Everything in between will be selected. If you want to pick items that aren't next to each other, hold Control on Windows or Command on a Mac as you click individual documents. You can always Control or Command click again to deselect something if you change your mind. With your selection ready, drag the document or the group of documents from the list and hover over the target folder in the left sidebar. You'll see a visual indicator that you're about to drop them into that folder. Release the mouse and the documents are moved. If you were viewing the original location, you'll notice they disappear from that list. To double-check, click into the destination folder and you should see them there right away. If something didn't land where you intended, just drag the document back to the correct folder. That's all there is to it. Open Quip, go to Folders, find your documents, switch to List View, select what you need, and drag them into the right folder. Clean, quick, and organized.